In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to play GTA 5 cross-platform between PlayStation 5 and Xbox and whether or not it is possible to do this. In this video, I'm going to talk about playing GTA 5 cross-platform and also cross-play. So the difference would be cross-platform regarding the progress of your social club or Rockstar account when you switch consoles, and crossplay, meaning whether or not it is possible to play with your friends or other people on different consoles. So for example, if you are playing on a PlayStation 5, is it possible to play with someone on an Xbox? So first, when it comes to cross-platform or cross-progression, GTA unfortunately does not have that enabled. You will not be able to transfer over your progress, so if you are playing on Xbox, all of your progress is tied to this console, and the same can be said for the PlayStation 5 of the game version. So, the next question is whether or not it is possible to do crossplay, meaning that you would be able to play with people on different consoles. As of today, unfortunately, once again, GTA 5 does not have crossplay functionalities. Even though the game has been out for likely 10 years by now, Rockstar has never implemented the option to do crossplay. So you are locked inside of your own platform. If you are playing on a PlayStation 5, you will only see other people who are on PlayStation as well, regardless of whether you have a PlayStation Plus subscription, regardless whether you try to go into the settings, try to queue up using any sort of Rockstar account or service. Unfortunately, everything is locked to its own platform. So you will have to play with people who are on the same console as you. There doesn't seem to be any indication of the games getting updated in the future, especially considering that GTA 6 was recently announced. So unfortunately, you will not be able to do cross-platform or cross-play in Grand Theft Auto 5. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that GTA 5 does not have crossplay functionalities, and unless Rockstar decides to update the game one final time to implement those into the game, players are going to be locked to their specific platform, and they have to play with people within that same platform. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe from our very easy tips. Thank you for watching.